Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
Jessie, the guide dog. Hi, I'm Jessie. I am a dog in guide dog school. This is my story about becoming a guide dog, a dog that works with someone who is blind. Before I started guide dog school, I lived with the Millers, who are not blind. They took very good care of me for about a year. To be a good guide dog, I needed to get used to being around people, other animals, and cars. So the Millers took me many places. I went to Mom's work with her. Dad took me for car rides to the hardware store and the grocery store. Chris and Lisa took me to their friends' homes. I learned a lot while I lived with the Millers. I learned to sit, to stay, and to lie down. I also learned not to chase things. That wouldn't be safe later when I guided a person who couldn't see. If a squirrel was nearby, Mom would say, "Jessie, leave it." She would tug on my leash. When I didn't chase the squirrel, she would pet me. I was about 16 months old when I started guide dog school. I was sad to leave the Millers, but excited to start school. There are 14 dogs in my class. We have 4 trainers working with us. Most of the time, I work with a trainer named Kim. I work hard to please Kim. She is teaching me many things, so I will be a good guide dog. When we are walking, I know how to go right, left, and forward. Kim is also teaching me to stop at the top of a stairway. I need to wait until she is ready before I keep going. When Kim wants me to enter a room, she will say, "Find the door, Jessie." I sit down in front of the door when I find it. Kim says, "Good door, Jessie." I wag my tail. When we go into a restaurant, Kim will say, "Find a seat, Jessie." At first, I would just stand near a chair, but Kim wanted me to sit and put my head right on the chair. So she put a crunchy treat on the chair. She would praise me when I put my head on the seat. Now I don't even need the treat. I like it when she says, "Good seat, Jessie." Soon I will be meeting my new partner, Ellen. We'll stay in school a while longer. Then I will go live with Ellen. Kim told me some things about Ellen. She is 78 years old and blind. I'm going to be Ellen's first guide dog. She will be able to go outside because of me. I'll use all that I have learned to be the best guide dog I can be for my new partner and friend.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.